guys, good morning. I realized that I haven't vlogged for such a long time, and so I thought that I'll be doing a vlog about the weekend. So today is a Friday. I did my things as you all saw. I went to the gym and यहाँ से straight away हम लोग जा रहे हैं to the mall. DB is here with me today and we are going to buy a new phone. Like he's going to get a new phone for himself. And मैं gym से straight away आ रही हूँ and इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी थी, so I thought we'll just take a cab and go. And I am in my gym clothes only, as you can see. So let's go and get a new phone for DB. I'll show you what he gets once we get there. So yeah, stay tuned and let's go. Guys, catching up after some time. अभी हम लोग घर पे आ गए हैं. DB is I think setting up his new phone.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, and he's super excited about that. And बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हुआ है. It is currently 2 PM. मेरा लॉगिन रहता है 1:30 को. But मैंने काम करना स्टार्ट कर दिया था already. There were a few things that I handled. I also had my protein shake and I have been having creatine also. I think 3 grams or 4 grams. Yeah, I had that, so I am good in terms of hunger. थोड़े टाइम के बाद हम लोग लंच करेंगे and probably तभी मैं शूट करूँगी. अभी I'm just going to sit and start my work for the day. Friday है आज and Friday usually बहुत ज़्यादा hectic होता है. So here's my setup, work setup. I think I've shown it in my previous vlogs. So let me start working for some time. And evening का plan बहुत happening है, बहुत मतलब happening है. We are going to go out and meet my cousin and we'll be having dinner outside today. ऐसे ही बहुत time हो गया था उससे मिलके, so we are going to go and do that in the evening, which is going to be really fun. And yeah, I will shoot that also and probably then कल का shoot करेंगे. Let's see what we plan for tomorrow. Anyways, so let's start working and then after some time we'll have lunch. And yeah, that's the plan for now. Miru, say hi. Can you say hi? Hey, me. Say hi. Hi guys, catching up after some time. I know it's been a while and it's evening, actually night time now. It's 9:15 currently and अभी just मेरा काम ख़त्म हुआ है. I'm still kind of winding up everything, but I got ready in between. I changed into this off shoulder top and I just did a little bit of blush and concealer and all that. And we are now going to meet my cousin. And like I told you, हम लोग kind of dinner पे जा रहे हैं. So that is the plan right now. So let me quickly go because we're already getting late. हमको वहाँ पर 9:30 को पहुँचना था and it's already 9:15. So let's just go and then I will just show you what we do there. We might play some pool also. So yep, that's exciting. Yay.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day. Today is a Saturday and it started on a very slow note. हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा लेट उठे आज and फिर चाय वाय पी रहे थे. We were just chilling only. अभी 1:30 हो रहा है actually. And आज का तो कुछ प्लान बना नहीं. We were yes बेटा, yes. And DB is making a small pool for Miru. That's the highlight. Gugu, say hi. Say hi. Okay, she's interested in the water. She's more interested in her swimming pool. Yes, beta. You say hi here. Say hi.
Say hello to everyone.
Teddy is also here. Teddy को eyes में कुछ infection जैसा हुआ है तो I just put drops in his eyes. And the plan is इसके वजह से AC बंद करना पड़ा है. It's so freaking hot today. Not today actually, every day only. So anyways अभी कुछ plan नहीं है. Mostly we'll have lunch. We'll chill for a little bit. मैं ऐसे vlogs देख रही हूँ. And शाम को देखते हैं कुछ होता है तो we might go to a garden nearby. So it's going to be like full on family day. Because yesterday Meera nahi thi. Meera had gone with my mom to my mommy's house. So yesterday we couldn't spend time with her, and anyways yesterday was Friday and working day. As you all saw, मैं पूरे दिन काम कर रही थी कल. So yeah, let's see where the day takes us. And वैसे तो और कोई मेरा plan है नहीं. डिबी आज कुछ दूसरा plan नहीं है ना अपना? नहीं. So it's just going to be like a chill day. Yes, beta. And I got these new earrings also from this Instagram store called Diva or something. I don't know how they look on me. Comment down below and let me know if they look good. I'm not really sure. I ordered some things from Instamart because I was craving for momos, and momos को तो मैंने डाल ही दिया कार्ट में, but at the same time I called for a lot of things. So let's quickly do a small haul. So first of all, banana chips because I was craving it, and chalega, today is a Saturday, I can have a little bit of junk. Then I have makhana. This is mostly for Miru. This is chili lemon flavor. Let's see if she likes it. Then I love these tapioca chips. Oh my god, these are Kerala tapioca chips and these are mildly spiced, so I just love them. Then we have some peanuts for the house. I have the momos right here. These are peri peri vegetarian momos. So ये हम लोग अभी steam करने वाले हैं. And I called for one more variant. This is vegetable and paneer variant. Both have 10 pieces each. So I'm going to make them in the idli steamer. So let's see how they turn out. Then I also have dark chocolate. I love this one. I actually love the sea salt variant of this one. Variant of this one, but वो available नहीं था, तो I called for this. This had no added sugars. Basically, it has cocoa and dates as sweetener. So I called for this. I like to munch on chocolate like whenever I'm craving like something sweet. So dark chocolate is usually the best option for that. And then I also called for these. ये मैंने ना कल पूरी वीडियो में देखा था like these are high protein veggie. What do you call it? Veggie sticks sort of a thing. These are real vegetables, but they are like crisp or something. So let's see how this is. I'll give it a shot. And the last thing that I have is the ramen. I have it in hot. What is this flavor? Korean barbecue flavor and the cheese flavor. So that's all for this haul. And now let's go and cook the momos. Let's cook momos. This is some chutney that my mom is making. I hope I'm visible in the frame because my back camera se shoot kar rahi hu filhal. Here is some milk. The kitchen is quite messy, so just ignore that. I am going to use the idli steamer for this, and इसमें हम लोग बनाएंगे. So I'll just pour some water in this first. So guys, here are the momos. थोड़े टूट फूट गए, but I think they are okay only. They smell good. Let me have a bite and let you know. They're very hot actually right now. Nice. बहुत अच्छे बने.
हाँ क्या?
Now we are having lunch.
There is sauce that came with it.
We're going to the garden. Kukusi. Kukusi, hi. Hi. Garden.
What Masi got it for you?
Oh. Masi. Guys, so we are done with the garden and now we are going to go and eat vada pav.
VP.
Vada pav, there's a famous place somewhere around. So thoda sa drive jaisa bhi hai, so we'll go and eat there because we love the vada pav that they have.